Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Alam naman natin na malapit na ang pasukan, which will be this coming August 24. Today, I am very happy to announce to you that I'll be making videos for math tutorial. You heard it right! Now, kung ikaw ay isa sa mga nahihirapan sa subject na math, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay subscribe, like, and share. Now, kung sakaling meron kang hindi naintindihan sa iyong lessons sa math, at hindi nasasagot sa video na aking nagawa, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay just comment down on my upcoming videos at gagawa ako ng video na sasagot sa iyong problema. And also shout out to Lordski101. Please subscribe, like, and share his videos. He has a very good content also. And also, for me, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share. And this is Sir Alvin. I'll try my best to make math easier. Bye!